Daniel, Tiger's Neighborhood.
It's me, Daniel Tiger. Blub, blub. Guess what I'm pretending to be? Blub, 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 blub. A fish! Do you have fish at your house? I do, and I get to feed them. Let's feed them together. Swim with me. Blub, 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 blub. Aw, the fish food is on top of the tank. I'm not quite big enough to reach it, but I'm so close. Got it. Hey, I was big enough to reach the fish food. Mom, Dad, I reached the fish food by myself.
My big tiger.
I think you must have grown.
I did. I'm bigger now. I grew.
You remembered to feed the fish this morning all by yourself. You're growing on the outside and on the inside, too.
Thanks, Dad. Are there things you can do now that you're bigger? I like being bigger. Let's go give the fishies some fish breakfast. Are you hungry in there? Eat up. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ooh. Hey, look. Do you see what I see? I see baby fish. There's a red one and a yellow one. These baby fish weren't here yesterday. Mom, Dad, come see.
Our fish had babies.
Yes, they did.
Hi, baby fishies. Today, it's my turn to take our class bunny Snowball home with me. Teacher Harriet, is it time to take Snowball home?
Not just yet, Daniel. We still have a little bit of playtime left.
And then it will be time to take Snowball home?
Yes.
Grr-ific! Snowball, we're gonna have so much fun at my house.
Now, Daniel, when you take Snowball home, you'll need to give him water to drink, then clean his cage, brush his fur, and feed him his bunny food for dinner. Can you do all of those things?
I can do it, Teacher Harriet. Taking care of you makes me happy too.
Okay, I gotcha. Thank you. Come on, Daniel.
Bye, Teacher Harriet.
We're going home with Snowball to take good care of him. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along. Won't you ride along with me?
We're here, Snowball. This is where I live. Come on. Do you remember what Snowball needs to drink? Oh, yeah. Water. Let's go get some water for Snowball. Filling up the water for Snowball. Can't spill the water. Phew. Here you go, Snowball. Drink up. He likes it. And that makes me happy. Taking care of you makes me happy too. Oh, that looks good. There. Mom, look how we cleaned Snowball's cage.
Nice work, you two. Now you keep taking care of Snowball, and I'll go fix you both a snack.
Totally great.
What do we do now?
We need to brush Snowball's fur.
Don't hop away.
This will make your fur so soft and fluffy. We cleaned his cage. We brushed his fur. Now...
I have an idea. We can play with him. Come on, Snowball. Try and knock down the cups.
You can do it, Snowball.
Yeah.
He did it.
One more cup, Snowball. You can do it.
Oh, Tiger-tastic.
Who's hungry for a snack?
Mom, we can't eat our snack yet.
Why not?
We need to feed Snowball his snack first.
I think he's very hungry.
Let's go find a snack for Snowball. What do you think Snowball would want? How about some lettuce? Ooh, and carrots. I think Snowball will like his snack. Here's your snack, Snowball. Taking care of Snowball is a lot of work. Taking care of you makes me happy too. Look, it's a squirrel family. And they have a little baby too.
So they do.
There are babies everywhere. My family is having a baby, and the squirrel family has a baby. I wonder what it would be like if there were lots and lots of little animal babies in the neighborhood. Hey, do you want to make believe with me? Let's make believe that all the animals in the neighborhood had new babies.
Babies everywhere I see. Baby birds cozy in a tree.
Aww,
Baby bunnies hopping happily.
so silly.
So many babies, my oh my. Baby duckies waddling in a line. Baby squirrels playing way up high. Whoa! There are babies everywhere.
Wasn't that grr-ific? That was a lot of babies. A lot. Hi, horsey. I'm back. No! Let's make a farm for my horsey. My barn, farm animals, and fences. And a hippopotamus. Oh, wait, does a hippo live on a farm? No, but if I had a farm, I would let a hippo and elephants live on it. And toucans, too. Like Margaret's toy. And, what else would live on my farm? Hey, do you want to make believe with me? Let's make believe we're taking care of the animals on my silly farm.
Daniel Tiger has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on my farm there's elephants, camels, and hippos. Wow! That's right, friends, I have a farm. Woo! E-I-E-I-O. And on my farm there's a big, strong dragon, toucans, and lions. Best farm ever! Yeah!
Wasn't that grr-ific? Nay, nay. Hi, hippo. What are you doing on my farm?
Oh, I live here now.
Margaret, this is my farm. It can be your farm too, okay?
Margaret Tiger had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm she had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there.
Hey, you said moo. I taught Margaret the cow sound. Let's try another animal.
Margaret Tiger had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm she had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here and a baba there, E-I-E-I-O.
That was tiger-tastic, Margaret. Here, you can play with this sheep. Bah. Taking care of my sister is fun. What's wrong, Margaret? What do you think Margaret wants? Papa is Margaret's sheep noise. I think she dropped it. We'll find that sheep, Margaret. Help me look.
Nope, not over there. No.
There it is. We helped her. That makes me so happy. Oh, and don't forget the horsey. Nay, nay. Taking care of you makes me happy too. Hey, what's that red thing? Look, it's a bird. Hi, red bird. Hey, another bird. Hi, brown bird. Look at their little heads moving. And look at their tiny feet. They're so pretty. Hey, wait, birds! Where'd they go? Do you see them? They're gone. Mom, can we go outside and look for them, please?
I'd love to go outside.
The red bird! Let's follow it. Eep, eep, eep. Tweet, tweet. Eep, eep, eep. What is the bird doing? Little bird, are you exploring like me? The bird's picking up leaves. Why do you think he's doing that? Hey, where are you going, little bird? There's the brown bird, too. Maybe they're having a leaf dinner. Like leaf spaghetti or a leaf hamburger. Hey, what's the bird doing with that stick? It looks like the birds are building.
Good observing, Daniel. I think they're building a nest, see?
The bird is putting the stick into the nest.
Uh-huh. She's tucking it in. The birds are building a nice, cozy home.
I want to help them.
That's a nice idea, my fuzzy little guy.
Let's look for leaves and sticks for the bird's nest. Some sticks.
Look at that.
These sticks are kind of rough and bumpy.
What's this?
Will you look with me? What could the birds use? Ooh, this feels soft, like a pillow. Look, it's fuzzy, just like me.
Daniel, what about this grass?
Oh, it's so long and pointy. Let's take it.
For the birds.
Here you go, birds.
We hope you like your presents for your nest, meow meow.
Let's watch and see what happens. He sees them.
He took a stick.
He's putting it in his nest.
He's taking the grass too, meow meow.
She tweeted at me.
Tweet, tweet. I tweeted back.
A frog!
Cool.
Let's follow it.
Wait for us, Froggy.
Here we go. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Oh, do you want your book?
My book? Well, no thanks. I'm being a frog right now. Will you hold it for me, please? Please?
I'd be happy to.
Woohoo! I'm a jumpy frog.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Boing,
Ribbit, ribbit.
There he is.
Shh, listen. I hear more frogs. Can you hear all those frogs? I hear frogs that sound like this, ribbit, ribbit, and frogs that sound like this, ribbit, ribbit. Hey, do you want to make believe with me? Let's make believe we can sing with the frogs.
When me and my frog friends sing, we like to sing down low.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
And we like to sing way up high.
Ribbit, ribbit.
So come sing along, everyone. It goes like this. Come on, everyone. Let's ribbit for a minute. Ribbit, 'cause when we all ribbit along, we can ribbit a sweet, sweet song.
Wasn't that grr-ific? Ribbit, ribbit. Look through the binoculars with me. Do you see what's making that tapping sound? Look, it's a bird.
That's a woodpecker.
Why is it tapping the tree like that?
Woodpeckers peck the trees with their beaks to find bugs to eat.
Woodpeckers eat bugs?
They sure do.
Whoa,
Wow.
cool.
this is fun.
Thanks. Hup, 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 look, look, look. I'm a woodpecker, and I need some dinner. Tap, tap, tap.
I am not your dinner, Woodpecker.
Oh, yeah. I need some bugs from a tree. Tap, tap, tap. Look, look, look.
Let's keep exploring.
Let's go. Da-da-da-da-da. Whoop, whoop, Ooh, look. Footprints. Let's follow the footprints.
This way, hoo-hoo. Let's try and find out who made those. Let's see.
They're so little. What kind of animal do you think made them?
Hey, where'd they go?
They go into that bush. It's a squirrel!
Hoo-hoo! He's climbing that tree. Maybe he's going to explore all the branches.
Or maybe he's going to find some acorns. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Hey, look at this one.
This one's called Adventures Under the Sea.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a deep sea diver. She explores the ocean.
Ooh, a deep sea diver. Do you think she goes on adventures? Just like Tiggy the Adventure Tiger? Let's look and see. Whoa, she's swimming so deep in the ocean. She's brave. Ooh, she found an old boat underwater. Maybe she finds some treasure in there. It's an octopus. Look how many arms it has. This deep sea diver has so many adventures. I wish I was going on underwater adventures. Hey, do you want to make believe with me? Let's make believe that we're under the sea explorers.
Let's dive down, down, down underneath the sea for an underwater adventure with me. Let's swim with the big whales under the waves, or visit colorful fish in underwater caves or on the coral reef. Let's dive down, down, down underneath the sea for an underwater adventure with me.
Bloop, bloop, bloop. Wasn't that grr-ific? I want this book. It has adventures like Tiggy the Adventure Tiger, and it's underwater. I'm excited.
Ooh, is this a puppet show? Can I watch?
You could watch, or you could play puppets with us.
Ooh, I want to play with you.
Come watch our show.
Ooh, a puppet show.
Nifty-ga-lifty, let's watch.
Welcome to our puppet show. Once upon a time, there was a hippo who shared the swamp with her friends
Crocodile.
Lion.
And elephant.
One day, they wanted to have a swamp dance, so they all had to help.
Crocodile brought decorations.
Lion brought music.
Elephant brought, what does an elephant eat? Elephant food. And other food.
And now it's time for our swamp dance.
Cha-cha-cha! Crocodile dance.
Dopey-dopey-dop, hippo dance. Roar! La-di-da-li-da, lion dance.
Elephant, walla-walla-wee. Elephant dance.
Swamp dance!
Yeah!
The end.
Encore!
Way to go. Whoa.
Do you share with your friends? I like sharing the puppets with my friends, and it's fun to share with you too. Maga maga.